Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India has received assurances from Bangladesh's interim government chief advisor, Muhammad Yunus, regarding the protection of Hindus and other minorities in Bangladesh. This commitment was made during a phone call between the two leaders, with PM Modi emphasizing India's support for a democratic, stable, and progressive Bangladesh. The assurance comes amidst concerns over the safety of minorities in Bangladesh, which has been experiencing violence following the resignation of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. The violence in Bangladesh has included attacks on Hindus and other minorities, with reports of temple destructions and assaults on individuals. The Indian Cultural Center and the ISKCON temple were also vandalized. In response to these incidents, Professor Muhammad Yunus visited the Dhakeshwari temple in Dhaka and promised to take action against the perpetrators. The situation has garnered attention across India, with political figures expressing solidarity with the people of Bangladesh and concern over the targeting of minorities. They highlighted the importance of India standing with Bangladesh but also noted the difficulty in remaining indifferent when symbols of India's friendship are under attack. Protests in Bangladesh, which began over a job quota scheme, led to the resignation of Sheikh Hasina, who had governed the country for 15 years. The quota system reserved a significant portion of civil service jobs for families of veterans from the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. The resignation of Hasina and the subsequent power vacuum have contributed to the unrest and violence targeting minorities in the country.